Alright guys, how's it going? Okay, we're going to do just a little intro here for this section of questions. There's 20 questions where you convert degrees to radians and radians to degrees. So let's have a little overview of this. The key sentence when doing all these problems is fraction of a circle. If you remember that sentence and apply it, then you'll be able to go from one to the other with ease. Basically, a circle is divided up into 360 degrees. And you basically start from 0 here, and you go around in the anti-clockwise positive direction, and you cut it up into 360 degrees. And that's from antiquity, that is. They used to think the year was 360 days long, Babylonian system, and so you've got 360 degrees of a whole circular year, so to speak. So that's why we've, historically speaking, used 360 degrees to divide the circle into. More contemporary though, we use radians, don't we? So this is also a more modern day measure now, radians. And instead of dividing by 360, we divide the circle into 2 pi units. And go around in the positive direction, 1 full turn, or 2 pi radians. The unit for radians is that. So more oftentimes, if I'm looking at a number, I'll put a little radian symbol there to denote I'm using radians. The context also often tells you whether you're using degrees or radians. The fraction of a circle then, how can we use that? Well, basically, if you've got an angle, say like 60 for example, that is 60 parts of 360. That's how much of a fraction of that circle that is, isn't it? So that's the fraction, you see, of is times, then the circle, well, the whole circle would be 2 pi. So that's the essence of it. Fraction of a circle in 2 pi, and that tells you how many radians that 60 degrees corresponds to. By the same token, if you have, say, pi over 3, then that as a fraction of the circle would be pi over 3 lots of 2 pi, wouldn't it? That's your fraction of the circle, and in this case we want degrees, don't we? That fraction of 360 degrees, and that will tell you the degrees. This fraction of 2 pi's will tell you the radians. So using this little phrase, we can just go from degrees to radians, or from radians to degrees. So in this question section, there's 20 questions, and on the bottom of the app that accompanies these playlists, the live worksheet app, there's a little email math queue. Any questions, just tap me a little email, and hopefully I'll be able to, for a few of you, provide a video YouTube solution. Yeah? Okay then guys, hope you enjoyed the section, and catch you again. Cheers!